Pressure holding steady at 0.9. Check the thermal readout.
Confirmed. Temperature profile stable.
Initiating cycle start.
The 3D comparison shows green across the board.
Yes, even the intricate internal geometry is perfect. The CMM data aligns with the model.
The XRF confirms the precise ratio of titanium and alloying elements. This 99.8% alloy.
The final clamping mechanisms are secured, undergoing rigorous torque checks, crucial for maintaining the precise dimensions of the armored shell.
The temperature spike here is expected during the soak cycle.
Yes, we need to ensure the dwell time is precise to maintain ductility.
The Su-34 armored cockpit shell completes process A, undergoing final verification of integration.
The data confirms the system maintains precise cabin pressure. Pilot health is ensured regardless of external conditions. We have full power and stabilization. The life support module is performing optimally.
And there is the successful calibration. The system transitions perfectly to high purity oxygen. Verified airworthy. Torque is confirmed on all bolts.
System check initiated. Powering up the displays now.
Power up slowly, maintain current vector.
Clear on the right.
Pressurization system check.
Status green. Ready for taxi.
The Su-34 accelerates, demonstrating the high-performance design of its titanium armored cockpit and life support systems.
Flying high above the clouds in this frigid environment, the titanium armored cockpit and reliable life support systems are essential for survival.
pressurization system held perfectly. We are very impressed with the comfort and reliability.
Flawless execution throughout the high altitude phase.
The Su-34, a testament to integrated system success.
All systems green. Life support nominal. Ready for departure.
The indicator confirms a precise flow rate of 1.5 liters per minute. Even under extreme G loads, the process...
As the Su-34 executes this tight maneuver, the life support system ensures the pilot remains conscious.
The Su-34 lands safely after a successful mission. The reliable life support and pressurization.
Good flight. Smooth ride all the way. The cabin pressure held up well.
Status on the LSPM, Bay 3.
All parameters green, pressure steady.
External review complete. Copy.